Today we're going to talk about dividing simple facts using a process called equal share. So you'll notice that I have set up my problem where I have 19 divided by 3. That means I have 19 markers and I need to split them into 3 groups. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And you probably remember back in 3rd grade when you were dividing, you would share equally one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice that I have 2 in each circle. I also noticed I have a whole lot of markers here. So maybe rather than sharing one at a time, I definitely have enough to share more than that. So for example, I think I could put 3 markers in each circle next. Let's see. If I put 3 here, I have to share equally. So I'm going to give circle A 3. That means I've got to give circle B and C 3 as well. Okay? So that's true. I notice that I only have 4 left. So I can't give 3 more to each circle because I won't have enough. I can't give 2 more to each circle because that won't be enough. I can only give 2 to each group. So I'm going to have to go back and share one at a time. 1, 2, 3. So the first thing I notice is I have 1 left over. I can't split this into or give it to one group and have the other 2 groups not shared equally. So I'm going to use that as my remainder. Next, I want to count and see how many I have in each circle. How many did I share with each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6, and 2, 4, 6. So each group has 6 markers, and I had 1 remaining. And just to double check with our multiples like we did yesterday, I'm going to skip count by 3, and I want to get as close to 19 as possible. I can't go over 19 because I only had 19 markers. I can have less because I can take less markers away, but I can't add more in. So let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's pretty close. And if I went 1 more, that's 21. I don't have enough to share 21. So I'm going to go ahead back to 18. That means I multiplied times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is 18, and the difference between 18 and 19 is 1. So 6 was the number in each group. There were 3 groups, and I had 1 left over because that was 6 times 3 was 18. You can do this at home with maybe mom has dried beans or pasta noodles or even your Legos. Pull out a group of Legos and use those.